Hello everyone. This video is going to be a shout out video. So I received the Miller High Life Special Penske PC17 car kit from Tim over at Throttle Power. He recently had a subscriber appreciation raffle and I won the Miller High Life Indy car. So looking forward to building it. Also, Tim, thank you very much for the kit. And I received your shop card. Thank you for the note. For those of you who don't know Tim, he's very active in the scale modeling world on YouTube. He does a great job on the walkthroughs of hobby shops, model shows, and even a Ford Mustang at a dealership. And he does such a good job, you forget, oh, he's also a very good scale modeler. So if you aren't familiar with his channel, go check it out. Some of his recent builds was the German Bull Tank and the AMT Surfer Van. So thanks again, Tim. Check him out at Throttle Power. Also want to take the time to recognize another shop card I received, Chris over at CD Scale Models. Chris, thanks a lot for your shop card and for the kind note. For those of you who don't know Chris, he builds a lot of muscle cars and he accessorizes them by putting in the cables and the distributors onto his engines, and he does a great job of it as well. So check out his channel if you aren't subscribed yet. Also like to take the time out to recognize or do a shout out back to Jeff's Model Garage and also to Eddie over at Big Eddie 1231. Eddie's always enthusiastic when he does his videos, and Jeff is great in recognizing new talent to scale modeling on YouTube. I know they were very helpful in the beginning to give me a shout out and help build some of my subscriber base. And also, as always, thank you to all the viewers, supporters, and all you subscribers. Thanks for the comments and the encouragement. Really helps in the beginning and motivates me to put more videos up. So thanks a lot. And hopefully I'll give more shout outs in the future. If you're interested in sending me a shop card, let me know and we'll contact each other offline. I don't have any shop cards of my own yet. I haven't made any up yet. I am thinking about it, but anyway, drop me a note if you want to send me something, a shop card, so that I can feature it on the channel. Other than that, I'll see you guys at my next build and review.